At UVA, education abroad includes credit-bearing study abroad, along with research, internship, and service learning opportunities outside the U.S. Every year, over 3,000 UVA students enrich their intellectual, personal, and professional development outside the U.S. They may be abroad for a year, semester, summer, or J-term. In the International Studies Office, our advisors are ready to help you find the opportunities that work for you. We also work with the faculty who lead our many UVA study abroad programs and with partners around the world. I studied abroad 40 years ago, and I hope you do too.
Education abroad shares many common goals with the traditional liberal arts experience. It engages students in critical thought, expands horizons, and develops informed and engaged citizens. Whether this is through a workplace internship, conducting research in the field, or working on a familiar skill in a faraway place, the college and the university encourage all students to take full advantage of the many opportunities that comprise education abroad.
I knew I wanted to travel abroad because I had never been outside the US, but I've always had a love for other cultures. I saw it as a great opportunity to live in a new country as well as earn credit towards my college degree. However, I didn't realize how much more value it would add to my education. While living in Spain, I learned so much about the culture through my classes as well as through new people that I was meeting. And I was also able to develop a sense of independency by traveling to some pretty cool places like Madrid and Rome. Regardless of where you decide to study abroad, it's definitely going to enhance your educational experience, and you're going to make some unforgettable memories in ways that you can't by just staying on grounds.
There are so many programs to choose from, and I didn't know where to start. Fortunately, my education abroad advisor was able to help. We talked about my goals for going abroad, programs that would be good for my major, how to compare costs, and scholarship opportunities. She also helped me with my questions as I was getting ready to go.
As a Spanish and Foreign Affairs double major, I was initially unsure if I would be able to study abroad and complete both of my degrees on time. But I actually found a bunch of different programs that allowed me to take relevant coursework for both of my majors. So not only was I able to progress on my degree, but I was able to gain a different perspective from my classes that I brought back here to my studies at UVA.
I was worried about making finances work while I was abroad, but because I went for a semester, I was able to use my existing financial aid. Student Financial Services was able to reevaluate my aid package, and I even got a scholarship specifically for my time abroad.
Education abroad has been a tradition at the University of Virginia since Thomas Jefferson himself. But today, students go abroad at a rate and to a range of locations unheard of in his time. In the latest rankings, the university jumped from 24th to 12th in the nation for the total number of students abroad in credit-bearing activities. President Ryan says he wants every undergraduate student to have an international experience. So this is a pretty exciting time for education abroad and all things global here at UVA.
We hope that you are considering education abroad while at UVA. It is never too early to start planning for your time abroad. Yes, even before you have arrived on grounds. Here are a few things that you can do now. First, take the Education Abroad workshop. Next, talk to your family about your interest in going abroad. It helps everyone if you and your family are open with each other about goals, questions, or concerns. Finally, mark your calendar for our Fall Study Abroad Fair. We look forward to seeing you there.